Hello and welcome back to Jakubication. Today we're going to talk about primitive data types in Java. A variable is basically a box that holds values. A type defines the possible values this can be and the operations that can be done on it. A primitive type is a type whose value exists directly in the box. Numeric types, listed from smallest to largest. Byte, short, int, long, float, and double. Delineation. Byte, short, int, and long store numbers with no decimal parts. Float and double store decimal numbers. Ranges. A byte is negative 128 to 127. A short is negative 32,768 to 32,767. An int is negative 2 to the 31 to 2 to the 31 minus 1. A long is negative 2 to the 63 to 2 to the 63 minus 1. Practically, you'll only really ever be using ints, longs, and doubles. Declare multiple variables of the same type. Int a, b, c. This declares three integer variables a, b, and c. Integer literals. Values assigned to non-decimal numbers are always interpreted as ints. The only time you run into an issue with this is if you want to declare a long. Example, long L equals 2147483664A. You'll get an error here, integer number too large. You won't get an error if you declare it with an L at the end of it. Floating point literals. Values assigned to decimal numbers are always interpreted as doubles. An issue comes up if you want to declare a float. Example, float f equals 3.14. You'll get a possible lossy conversion error, but you won't if you declare it with an F at the end of it. Booleans may only hold true or false, cannot have their values copied to any other types. Char, a single character, can be any English character you normally think of as well as some bonuses, are enclosed in single quotation marks. Variable initialization, assign a value to the variable on the same line you declare it. Chow.